Hello. So here we are going to be taking a look at an IXL skill. It is acute, right, obtuse, and straight angles, and you're going to be classifying them. So before we can classify an angle, we need to have an understanding of what those classifications mean. Now, hopefully, this is a skill that you remember, but if you don't, I really want you to focus on this right here. This is our key idea. I would even encourage you, find something to write on, find something to write with, and jot yourself some notes. All you have to really write is acute, right, obtuse, straight, and then just draw a little arrow and say acute angles measure less than 90 degrees. Right angles are exactly 90 degrees, and they even have that special little symbol, that square, that box right in the corner. Obtuse angles are our ones that are bigger, and straight angles are kind of self-explanatory. They're straight lines. So I would really kind of come back to this key idea as a reference, even if it helps you to draw a picture as a reference point. But if you want to be able to identify angles, you need to know these four things. With that being said, let's jump into some practice. So I am going to look at this angle, and I have to decide, is it acute, right, obtuse, or straight? I can right away, and this is going to be something that I'm going to encourage you to want to do, and we're going to make this stand out. We're going to use some red here. I know this isn't a right angle, and I know this isn't a straight angle. The reason I know those things is because I have my reference, but I also know it's not a straight angle because it doesn't make a straight line. And I know it's not a right angle because it doesn't have that symbol, that box in the corner. So now you just have to decide, is it bigger than 90 degrees or smaller? For me, I feel like this is bigger. So I'm going to select that this is an obtuse angle. And sure enough, that's what it was. So that's great. So I'm going to go ahead and erase those marks that I made when I was slashing the trash. Let's do maybe two more. All right, same strategy. Is this angle acute, right, obtuse, or straight? I want to get rid of things I know can't be correct. So I want to give you a second to think about it. All right, hopefully you thought about it and you realized can't be a right angle, can't be a straight angle. And if you look at it, it's a pretty tiny angle. In fact, it's a cute little angle. See what I did there? This is an acute angle because it's less than 90 degrees. All right. Let's just do one more. Is this angle acute, right, obtuse, or straight? Once again, it's less than 90. We're going to say that this is an acute angle. All right. I hope this little tutorial helps. You can watch it multiple times if you need to, but I know you guys are going to do great.